The DJI Neo Mini Drone is an ultralight, compact drone weighing just 135 grams, making it travel-friendly and exempt from FAA registration. Featuring 4K UHD stabilized video and AI subject tracking, it's perfect for capturing smooth, professional-quality footage on the go. With palm takeoff and landing, controller-free operation, and creative QuickShots, the Neo is designed for ease of use and fun. Built-in full-coverage propeller guards ensure safety, while Level 4 wind resistance keeps footage stable in challenging environments. Ideal for vlogging, family events, or adventures, this mini drone is ready to fly right out of the box. Users love the DJI Neo's lightweight and compact design, making it incredibly easy to carry and fly. The AI subject tracking and QuickShots modes are widely appreciated for simplifying the process of capturing cinematic footage. Many highlight the controller-free options, like palm takeoff and voice commands, which make the drone accessible to beginners. The 4K stabilized video quality and safety features, such as propeller guards, have also earned praise for delivering smooth, reliable performance in various settings, from windy parks to indoor spaces. Some users noted that the DJI Fly app, necessary for activating the drone, is unavailable on Google Play, requiring a manual download from DJI's website, which can be inconvenient. A few reviewers mentioned that while the Level 4 wind resistance is decent, the lightweight design can struggle in gusty conditions. Additionally, the shorter battery life compared to larger drones means less flying time per session, though this is expected for a drone of its size. These minor issues aside, most users are satisfied with its overall performance. The DJI Neo Mini Drone is a fantastic entry-level drone for beginners and casual flyers. Its 4K stabilized video, AI tracking, and user-friendly features like palm takeoff make it a fun, versatile tool for capturing everyday moments or stunning vlogs. While its lightweight design and app setup may present minor challenges, the Neo's portability, ease of use, and safety features make it a great option for on-the-go content creators and families alike. For more info and in-depth insights, catch the detailed review on Gen X Reviewer.